Hey there, what's up guys, how y'all doing? Pav here from allseobasics.com, and today guys we're going to be covering a very significant question that most of you guys have been asking, and that is how to parse Google PageSpeed. Google PageSpeed score obviously now affects the ranking of your website within the search engines, and therefore the website should be ranking pretty fast and all the web vitals should be ranking pretty well. Now today I'm going to be looking at how to improve the page speed in WordPress using a plugin called VP Rocket. So we're going to be looking at VP Rocket. This is a cache plugin. It has been removed now from the actual WordPress collection of plugins, but it does cost a bit. It's not too expensive, something around $40, and it does just the job you need to do. Now I'm actually using it here on All SEO Basics, and I'm going to demonstrate today on how it actually works. So All SEO Basics, this is our website. As you guys can see, we run it on WordPress, and I'm going to demonstrate exactly how this actually improves the page speed score. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the website now. Obviously we've got the admin panel because we're logged in, but if I take the website, let's say I take a page, this Cloudflare page, and this is all cached in the back end. If I analyze this, we should pretty much hit green on most of this. Now let's just run a quick test and see how it goes. Now without this plugin guys, it would be absolutely ridiculous. We wouldn't actually pass the score. So check this out. On the mobile we're hitting 91%, as you guys can see. We're still passing the score on the mobile, and on desktop we're hitting 98. As you guys can see, we're passing the score on both of these. Now check this out. If I take this plugin, okay, now this is the plugin that we're looking at. I might have to zoom out a bit. So the plugin that we're looking at is, let's just move this out of the way for a bit. Settings, VP Rocket. So this is the plugin. Let's move that back. Probably not the best placement on the camera. I do apologize about that. But you guys can see this is what it does. This is what the plugin does, and it basically does the cache on everything that we need over here. So it basically runs the cache on across the whole of the website, and it actually optimizes the cache, so you can actually set up the cache and how you want to run it and everything. Okay, today I'm not going to explain exactly how to set it up, but you can actually set up the media, lazy load the images, iframes, and replace the YouTube iframes with a preview image, which improves the actual score of loading. You can actually minify the CSS files and combine the CSS, as well as do the same with JavaScript, as well as defer you can defer the JavaScript and execution. Now we're going to be looking more into this VP Rocket settings later on, how to actually minimize the load time and get a good page score. But today I'm just going to show you the effect of what it actually does if I turn this plugin off. So I'm going to go in here. You can see the VP Rocket is on. I need to update it, which I will do, but I'm just going to deactivate it for now, and just select other, just deactivate it. I'm going to turn it off, and I'm going to run this page speed score again. As you guys can see, I'm live on the internet. I'm going to run it again so you guys can see the effects of what this does. So we're running this this speed score again without the VP Rocket, and this will show you exactly what it is. Now don't forget, we are running Google ads. It's quite a heavy website. You know, we've got 4 ads here, one at the top, one on the side, and then one at the bottom. Well, 3 ads, 3 main ads, and then Google pushes in auto ads. But check this out, without the VP Rocket we are now hitting 22 on the performance, and the desktop, it's still loading. Oh, we are not doing bad on desktop. We got 85, but the mobile is drastically failed, and you can see that really does help to actually run that. I'm actually really surprised that we are kind of passing on the here on the desktop, but obviously with it on we had 98%, don't forget, so we are actually losing a lot. And this is what I just want to showcase to you guys. You know, passing, if you want to pass the Google page speed, get a really good page speed, improve your page speed and with the web core vitals and stuff, then this is definitely something you should look at. The plugin is called VP Rocket. I have posted the link below in more description if you guys want to go and grab it. If there are any coupons or anything, I will activate it in the link below. So the link below you have is the latest link you guys can get it. I will create another video after this. I'm going to create another video straight after this, so if you guys watch the next video, this is going to be about the best settings for VP Rocket and what are the best settings, and I'm going to explain exactly everything that you need. So the best settings for VP Rocket for the best page speed score in WordPress. So that's what I'm going to do next, but this I just want to demonstrate to you guys on how you can improve your page speed score in this video, and that's exactly what I've done, and you guys can see that, you know, that it works really well. And if we turn that plugin on again, VP Rocket, let's go down. Let me just deactivate it. I'm not sure how that activated itself, but let's go down. So we leave it deactivated. Wait, we need to activate. I'm confused. I don't know what happened there, but yeah. So let's just turn that back on, just like that. So it's back on, lovely. And let's run this check on the All SEO Basics homepage, for example, just like this. So let's just wait for that to load. Make sure it's turned on. It is. So as you guys can see, homepage still passing with 91% and desktop 99%. Now I'm going to run that test again. I'm just going to turn it off. So this time let's turn it off and just make sure it's turned off. So let's go down. So it's turned off when we refresh. Yes, it's turned off. I must have turned it on by accident. So let's just run that again. Let's just run that speed score again on the homepage. Now as you guys can see, sometimes when you press refresh, it didn't run the data straight away, so you might need to wait a little bit. Okay, you need to make sure that it's turned off. Yes, so maybe wait like 30 minutes before you run the same page again. 30 minutes, like 30 seconds. So it's about 15, so let's just wait 10 more seconds before we run it. Let's try now. So as you guys can see, now it's running the new page speed score of what we've got. Let's just head over back to the website, make sure it's turned off. Yes, it is. Okay, and now we should see the real score of what we would get on the page speed without the VP Rocket. As you guys can see, the largest content is failing. I mean, we are hitting 67 here, and on the desktop we are actually doing pretty well. We are the website is actually pretty well optimized. We are hitting not a bad score, 95 on the desktop, which is pretty surprising. But you guys can see the difference on the mobile that it has made. And this is definitely something I would recommend anyone downloading and using, you know, across all different kind of websites, blogs, forums. If you've got a business website, it would have the same effect. And this is why I just wanted to showcase how you guys can improve your web page speed in WordPress just by using VP Rocket. Now I'm going to be explaining in more details on exactly what it does and how it works in this next video, so you guys can get it in more description again. Apart from that, yeah, just head over to the next video. Make sure you check out the website with more information, allseobasics.com. Apart from that, peace out, see you again soon, ciao.